Hey, what is going on, my awesome friends? This is Ron from Optimize Effects, and welcome to another EA update video. But before I get into the actual content, I'd like to quickly introduce a broker that I've been using for a couple of years now. Now, if you're not familiar, these guys are called FBS, and I've been using them for about 2 years now. The reason why is mainly because of leverage. Now, in Australia, they've recently changed it. However, beforehand, I used to get up to 1 to 500 leverage. But with these guys, I can get up to 1 to 3,000. And that actually makes a huge difference if you're an algo trader like me, because leverage can play a big role in whether your strategy is a winning strategy or a losing strategy. I would just like to introduce this broker. Basically, you can have 3 types of accounts. You've got standard, a cent account, and a pro account. I've got all 3. I use all 3. They also have demo accounts as well, so you can try the demo accounts before you go live. But yeah, they've been a really good broker for me. Main reason why I like them is you can deposit and withdraw in cryptocurrency. So I use USDT. It is for me a USD account. So I'm in AUD in Australia, but it's a USD account. So a little bit more of my Australian dollars goes in to make a US dollar, of course. But that's good. So they're pretty good. Give them a try. I'll put the link down in the description below, and we'll get back to the actual video that I'll get started on. Right, so this is, it's unfortunate, but all the demo accounts have expired, but the best thing is that I've got all the data, and I can just restart the ones that I want to restart and test for another period of time. So this US 30 scalper, I only just started like 2 days ago, and unfortunately this one expired before I could get an idea of how it went. It only placed a couple of trades, but the trades it did place were winners. So I'm going to move this over to another trial. So we'll see how this goes. Next, we have PerceptTrader AI. I've been trading this on, I think, the account the whole time, and I think it's made $241 since it started. We'll just verify that. So that's 86, and what we can do, I can't. Yeah, because the accounts are invalid, I can't connect. So I can only show you the trades from the 29th of last month. But you can see here, these are all the trades. Yeah, it made $86 since the 29th of the 9th, 2023 to the 9th of the 10th. So yeah, only like a couple of weeks worth of trades there, but all the trades have been really solid. I'm trading 0.10 lots, and it doesn't make a whole heap of money, but it is very consistent, and it rarely loses. When it does, it just places another trade and it just averages them out. But yeah, very, very good EA. Can definitely recommend it to to add to your portfolio. I would put this in the low risk category in terms of EAs and profitability. This one I decided to test again because which is FX Scalper X. Now this is not 4X, this is X. And I decided to try it again on low risk. This account did start with $1,000, and I'm doing it over, 6 pairs here. And it's made $288 in that time. However, the drawdown did reach, it doesn't have it here, but it did reach around about negative $800. It says here negative 1347, but this figure here is never really correct. I don't know why this one's never correct, but you can easily see here the DD versus profit is not good at all. So basically what this means is that this EA, the drawdown to profit ratio is really bad. So it made $288, but it was down negative 800 at one point, and I think that was the end of last week or the week before. So my recommendation is to not run this EA, FX Scalper X. It is not a good EA to run. I've tried it on low risk, medium risk, and I didn't even bother trying high risk, because if it's not good on medium or low, then it's not going to be good on either, and any of one of them. But yeah, unfortunately, it just got stuck in lots of trades, and it just couldn't get out. Now, maybe over a longer period of time, it might be able to get out, but I think it ended with around about negative $350 to $400 before the account expired. So that's that one. I'm removing FX Scalper X from the testing from now on, so that one's done. This one here is still going. I only added this like a couple of, maybe yesterday or the day before. Disregard the gold trade, that's 25, but this one is made, looks like it's got a $5 take profit on 0.01. So far it's just too early to tell if this is any good, but these are all the settings. I don't know too much about this EA myself, so I can't really comment too much, but it's supposed to be PipClub EA. But this says Pro. I don't know if there's any difference. That's all I know about it. Not much at all. My apologies. Now, this one was the one I've really been wanting to talk about. So if you remember in the last video, I tried Yeti, which is Gold F35, just renamed, I found out. But if you tried Yeti on, this is 28 pairs, so this is going pretty wild. 28 pairs, once it takes 2% per day, it stops. And if there are trades left over when it does stop, it just trades them until it stops. Trading time is 0 to 24. So the only thing I've changed, by the looks here, is auto dryer on and trading time. That's it. That's pretty much it. All right, well, these are the settings that I've been running, just so you know. I'm not hiding anything here. You can feel free to stop the video and have a look. Trading time, auto dryer is on, stop trade, equity take, and then all of that there. So there are all the settings. Now the crazy thing about this is my first initial test. I think I tried it on M5 and I had the take profit pretty high. The percentage take profit was pretty high. And I found that it couldn't close profit quick enough. Like it traded for too long and it got into the US session, and that's where it kind of fell apart. But this has made 9,151, we'll say dollars, because it is a USD account, in the time that it traded, and that was for probably about 2 to 3 weeks, I would say. So that is, to me, that is outstanding. Now, when it finished trading, the drawdown was not much. However, it did get into a little bit of trouble, I think halfway through the experiment, and the drawdown got to like negative, oh, it doesn't say here, damn. Max drawdown. Sometimes it has it there. This value is wrong, yeah, 1851. That could be right. No, I think I've seen it higher than that. That figure could be wrong. 1851. So negative $2,000. I think it was higher than that. Anyway, so what have we learnt here? Basically, if you're going to run F35 on 28 pairs on the default, almost default settings, you saw the settings there. It's going to do the values that you see on the right here. So for the week, or last week, 430, 1594, 627, 632, 775, 430, with a chance of around about, let's say, 60% chance of you blowing your account. I haven't tried this on a Send account yet, but I think it's definitely going to be put in the high risk, high reward category. Like if you wanted to 100% an account in a month, this is one strategy you could probably try and use to do it. I mean, it's 28 pairs. It's a huge load on a server if you're running it on VPS. I've got it running on this laptop that's sitting in my office, and it was screaming its head off the whole time this was running. So it does use a lot of resources. It is 28 pairs, but if you were just to do this, it might be pretty crazy. Now, it might be worth trying on a Cent account. I know there is a lot of people that run Cent accounts that watch my channel and in my Telegram, so this might be a really good strategy for you guys. I'm looking at all avenues for people to make money. So this is pretty much low risk. It started on 10K. and I think that's 100 US dollars would be 10,000 cents. I could be totally wrong here, but yeah, this might be good to test. Next one, we have Golden Raven. I only just started testing this, so I don't really have much information other than that we can see the trades that it has taken since I started running it. I don't know if this is going to be all Golden Raven there. Yep. So it actually was, oh no, it was reversal alerts, then Golden Raven. So yeah, I'm not too sure about Golden Raven yet. I did have it trading gold, and I took gold off because I just wanted to see how it went on Forex pairs. And it looks like, you know, it's got some green wins here. Look, all dollar, dollar, dollar to some, and then some losses here on GU, then back to wins, and then all stops, and then back to a couple of wins again. So I don't know if the profit loss is correct, but I'm going to run it again in the next round of accounts that I decide to run with this backtest. And the next one is, it's called Dark Algo. This one I only just started running literally the last couple of days, and I don't know how. Let's have a quick look here and then stop out. Okay, yeah, so this was my crazy gold F35 setup, so which ended up stopping out the account. That's cool. I just kind of knew that would happen, but it's all good. But we want to look at this kind of stuff here, which is Algo 2.0. So Dark Algo, which is these results here. I don't know if I can actually look at the profit. I don't know if it will let me because it's an invalid account. I might lose it all, but we'll give it a crack. So from the 9th to the 10th, let's have a look. Oh, look, that's pretty good. Last 3 days. It's going to let me do it? No. Huh. Didn't think so. All right. That is cool. Rightio. But we can see the results. It's been pretty profitable. Disregard this negative 994. All we want to look at is this. So there we have it. I'm going to move Dark Algo into the second round of actual testing, and we're going to go from there. Right, so that rounds up this video. Hope you've learned something from this video and you know, can apply that to your trading strategies. There's been some good results. Sorry about all the accounts expiring. That's not under my control. But I'm going to start firing them up right now after this video. Load up some brand new EAs, and I'll do another video on all that in the next one. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button. And if you found some value in this content, please hit the like button. It really helps me out and get the channel to grow. But other than that, that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.